Wanting to move back towards a more intellectual and theoretical approach to art, but still rejecting the emotional, spontaneous style of the abstract expressionists, two closely related movements, geometric abstraction, sometimes called hard edge painting, and minimalism emerged toward the end of the 60s and into the 70s. The artists in these movements were interested in the idea of reductionism inherent in modernism, and wanted to strip the visual experience of anything but the essential elements. Less is more became the mantra. Robert Morris's Notes on Sculpture, Parts 1 through 3, set up a conceptual framework for making art, which emphasized the gestalt of the viewer's experience with the object.
Times, and a period when painting is dead is absolutely the best time to paint, because it's not the preferred sensibility, it's not dictated what painting should look like, nobody cares anyhow. Sculpture ruled, people were moving around tons of stuff and digging holes in the desert. It was dumb to paint, even dumber to paint figuratively, and the dumbest, most moribund possible convention to deal with was the portrait.
Minimalism had reduced the elements that were in the art object to the bare minimum. Often these objects were made with industrial processes and no artist touch. Some artists in the 70s and 80s wanted to get back to the handmade object, which brought the traditional skills of drawing and painting back into play. The inverse of minimalism and abstraction would become known as photorealism.